What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys what to do if the error comes up like this one. This PC can't run Windows 11. So you are on the right track, and I will guide you guys exactly how you guys can do it. So when attempting to install Windows 11 on ESX, for example, vSphere 6.6, error this PC can't run Windows will show up and prevent to proceed the installation. So how to fix this process is very simple and easy. So follow the below solution step by step. Bypass TPM 2.0 requirement for the Windows 11 to fix this PC. So first thing, press Shift plus F10 or Fn Shift F10 on Mac or open a command reg edit. I'm just going to go ahead and open up a notepad so you guys can exactly know what kind of right command you guys have to put in. So first, Shift plus F10. Afterwards, what you guys have to do is to type in regit it and press enter to open up the registry editor. After that, what you guys have to do is to navigate to the H key. Make sure that you are writing in the capital letters, H key. And after that, it's going to be, so once you are up with that, move forward to the next step. You will see something like this. The registry edit will be open once you type in this command, and you will see this value over here. So either what you guys have to do is to go to the system and then go to the setup and then go to the new and then go to the key option over here. So once you are at the key option, you just have to pick up a key over here as the third one clearly identifies it. Now, once you have done that, we'll move towards the next step. So which is very simple and to the point. You just have to create a new key. Create a new 32-bit dword object. Step number 6 is to name the new key called bypass TPM check, which is going to be like this one over here. I'm just going to go ahead and type it. Now, once you have made this name the key like this one, make sure you assign the value which will be equals to 1. Now, you probably see this one, dword 32, and you have to assign the value 1 over here. Now, moving on to the next step, which is very easy, that you just have to click OK, and the issue will probably be resolved. Now just close the registry edit, tap the exit, close the command, click on the cross icon located in the top right corner over here, and you will be good to go and install the Windows. Now the Windows 11 setup will restart in progress normally. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye.